Welcome to Nilodor's multi-purpose odor control program for dumpsters, trash rooms, loading docks, compactors, trash chutes, recycling areas, and more. Don't just deodorize, clean and deodorize with professional Nilodor power. Dumpster cleaning and deodorizing. Dumpster Wash is a concentrated all-purpose cleaner with odor neutralizing power. This product is safe, non-toxic, and environmentally friendly. It is concentrated and perfectly diluted through the special applicator spray system. Simply hook up to a water hose, turn the dial to solution spray, and begin applying to the inside and outside of dumpsters to eliminate severe odors and dirt and grease buildup. Chute Dumpster Wash PLUS is a safe, non-toxic, and environmentally friendly concentrated Bio-Enzymatic cleaner. This product has been formulated with friendly, grease-loving enzyme-producing bacteria and citrus oils. Simply hook up to a water hose, turn the dial to solution spray, and begin applying to the inside and outside of dumpsters. Extra buildup may require agitation with brush or broom. Turn dial to water and rinse areas if necessary. Your customers will appreciate the odor-free, clean, long-lasting fragrance of this easy-to-use cleaner. Eliminate severe odors 24/7. Use Nilodor deodorizing granules between cleanings. This powerful natural clay granule is easy to apply, safe, and non-toxic. It contains Nilodor's highly effective odor counteractant. Simply shake or pour 1 to 2 pounds of Nilodor into an average-sized dumpster to control odors for up to 7 days. Use Dumpster Wash or Dumpster Wash PLUS to clean and deodorize loading docks. Turn dial to on position to clean, wet area, and agitate if required. Turn dial to water and rinse areas if desired. Trash can cleaning and deodorizing. Simply spray outside and inside of can. A brush may be required for areas with extra buildup. Try our new odor-fighting Super Sock. This Super Sock is a great alternative to the hazardous Parablocks. Contains the Nilodor concentrated odor neutralizer for effective, long-lasting odor control. Fights odors 24/7 for 30 days and has a convenient loop for hanging. Use the Super Sock in sewers, elevator shafts, trash rooms, water treatment facilities, garbage collection areas, and fire restoration. If you are ready for professional power, contact us at 1-800-443-4321 or visit us at nilodor.com.